Howdy, today we're going to be learning about the Analog Discovery 2 and how to use its oscilloscope function with your Basis 2 board. To start off, inside of this case is the Analog Discovery 2. It comes with a USB cable, a wire with 16 digital input-outputs, and also some spare header pins. The Waveforms 2015 software is the program that we're going to be using with our Analog Discovery 2. The Waveforms 2015 program enables us to use both analog and digital instrumentation and explore what we can do with things such as oscilloscopes, voltmeters, etc. Today we will be focusing on how to use the oscilloscope. By the product description tab, there is the download here button, and when you press it, you're going to find on the right hand side of the page the latest downloads for the different operating systems. Now, I will demonstrate how to connect your Analog Discovery 2 to your Basis 2 board. The first thing that you're going to do is connect the wires with the 16 input-output pins to your Analog Discovery 2, and make sure that both USB cables are going into the Analog Discovery 2 and your Basis 2 board and are both connected to your computer. Now, the two that we're going to be using are on the left here, 1 plus, 2 plus, and 1 minus, 2 minus. Both the oscilloscope and the voltmeter use these pins, however, you cannot use both for each at the same time. Now, the ones that we're going to be using are 1 plus and 1 minus specifically. 1 plus is straight orange, and you can differentiate between the other by looking for the white stripe on the middle there. Once you have found this, you're going to bring it over to your Basis 2 board. Your Basis 2 board is going to have a header pin that you're going to connect to the Analog Discovery 2. The one that I have selected to connect is JCC9. Now, you're going to connect your 1 plus wire to your JCC9, whatever that may be, and then your 1 minus is going to go to your ground. Once you have successfully done that, you are going to be able to use Waveforms 2015 successfully. We're going to be testing a pulse width modulation generator with our Analog Discovery 2 and our Basis 2 board today. Once you've successfully transferred it over and your bit file is working correctly on your Basis 2 board, you're going to go to your Waveforms 2015 and it will look something like this. Now on the top left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see the oscilloscope option. This is also where you will find the other options for this program, but you will click on the oscilloscope. Now, whenever you press run on the top left, you're going to see it look something like this. Now, it's going very fast and we want to slow it down, so we go to the position part on the right hand side and we change it to 1 second per cycle. Now, we still can't see what's going on, and if we wanted to see more, we would go to the base and we would increase the amount of waveforms that we're seeing by playing with it like that. The more that we increase the time per division, we're going to see more waveforms. I'm going to keep it at 1 ms per division. Now, we can change where it is on the oscilloscope by going to the offset part of channel 1. If we wanted to move it down, we move it to the negative 2 volts. Now, currently, this is running on a 75% duty cycle. Now, if I were to change it to 50%, it would look something like this. If I wanted to increase the time, I'd go back up to the position, and I'd lower it like this. That is how you use the oscilloscope on Waveforms 2015 in conjunction with your Basis 2 board and the file that you may need to use a real oscilloscope for, but you are able to conveniently use this program to not have to use any lab equipment to do so. Thanks for watching. Thanks again.